Introducing Cointiply, a supercharged Bitcoin faucet. A verified website allowing you to claim small amounts of crypto absolutely for free every 60 minutes, with average users easily earning $30 a month. Joining Cointiply using BTC Promo's link will grant you 1,000 bonus coins. So first, go to btcpromos.com and open Cointiply from income category. Click Visit Site and sign up for a new account. After registration, check your mailbox for email verification link from Cointiply. Right after verifying your email, 1,000 coins are credited to your account. Alright, now let's try rolling the faucet under Earn Coins in navigation bar. You get to roll a number for free every 60 minutes and claim 12 to 140 coins for free. The amount of coins you earn each time is based on the number you might roll. I won 12 coins this time. Now we got to wait an hour till next free claim, which is best time to check other earning opportunities, like getting free coins while viewing PTC advertisings. Select View PTC ads from menu and choose an ad from the list to view it. Now, keep an eye on the previous tab title. It works as a timer. You'll need to wait until it reaches 0. And then go back to previous tab to claim the rewards. Easily repeat the process for other ads to keep earning more coins. Now by refreshing the page, you'll see the balance gets updated. And the ads that are already viewed are now identifiable. Now let's take a look at Bonus Quests page. This one is already done, so let's claim it. Take a look at this one. It rewards you with 36 coins if you complete a survey worth 500 coins. Maybe it is here, as a reminder of large amounts of coins waiting for you to claim. What's truly remarkable about Cointiply platform is the offers and surveys here with extra large rewards. While getting 5 cents for completing one survey is not bad, that is only the beginning. Browsing the surveys within Cointiply, you'll find surveys paying around 6,000 coins for a survey, equivalent to $6. And browsing featured offers. Installing a game on your mobile phone and reaching a specific level inside the game can be even more profitable. You might prefer something easier which can be repeated. Then you can watch videos to earn 100 to 1,000 coins every few minutes. Getting started with Cointiply is completely free and requires no initial investment. Start earning crypto in your free time right now. Thanks for watching.